Good morning guys! It's now Thursday. Meron akong appointment sa hairdresser. So magpapagupit po ako ng buhok. Paiklian ko na yung buhok ko. So just above the shoulder. And then to prepare for summer kasi meron nga ditong heat wave sa 'di ba, sa Europe. And aside from that, para hindi na ako mahirapan sa work. Si Brian, until 12 noon na siya today because nga din sa heat wave. Ganyan sila dito sa Netherlands pag super init, parang hindi nagpa-function lahat. But anyway, yeah. Kahit ng Filipinas, hindi lang talaga sila sanay sa ganitong init. That's why. So, susundiin siya ng papa niya later, 12 noon. And then, yeah, we'll see kung anong reaction niya sa bagong buhok ko. Papaiklian ko siya ng parang dito. Taas. So, parang dito. Just above the shoulder. So, I hope naman makuha din nila yung style na gusto ko. Kasi mostly sa napapansin ko dito, hindi sila yung gaya dyan sa Pilipinas. Yung makikita mo talaga yung changes sa buhok mo. Sa kanila, it's either straight, layered, pero konting layer lang ginagawa. So, yun nga. I hope na makuha nila. May pictures naman akong sinave at saka inedit ko pa sarili ko, AI, just to be sure na gets nila yung idea. So, we'll see. Titignan natin. So, coffee muna tayo. It's 10:16, 10:30. Dito lang naman, yung appointment ko is 11. So, dito lang naman sa kalapit na center sa amin. So, mag-coffee muna tayo. And after that, diretso na tayo dun. So, hi guys. Ito na tayo sa appointment. Let's go. So we're here. So it's now 10:35. So we still have time. So punta muna ako ng mga shops. May titignan ako. We'll see. So, andito na ako sa hairdresser. Maaga ako. 10 minutes early. So, coffee muna tayo dito. May pa-coffee sila. Nice. And, yeah. Really looking forward. And a little bit nervous. So, very short. Very happy. Oh my God. Oh my God! Very short hair! Do you like it?
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
I'm waiting for my wife to come home.
I wonder what will Brian think about my short hair. We won't pick him up because until 12 lang sila today. So, yeah, something new, right? Something else.
Do you think?
Something else? Something new.
Do you think they can give me the Elvis look at the hairdresser?
But I was wondering, do you?
Honey, I'm asking. Do you think they can give me the Elvis look?
No, because you don't have hair.
Yeah, well, that is thing.
But honey, do you actually give tips there when you have a haircut? Oh, okay.
I think price is high enough already.
Yeah.
Why did you give a tip?
No, I didn't because I thought that they don't
Well,
do it.
I never.
Because I'm so very happy with the hair.
How much was it anyway?
59.
Not so bad.
Yeah, it isn't. That's why I was like, okay. So, let's see how Brian will react. Where's Mama's hair? Where's Mama's hair? Vind je het leuk?
Oh, oké.
Ja, fijn dat jullie er zijn. Hij was net halverwege.
Ja.
Mag ik naast papa zitten? En
Nee.
jij zit alleen hier? Mag ik naast papa zitten? Ja? Nee. Honey, my hair. Zo geweldig. My hair is zo...
Honey, are you now busy with your hair all the time? What is this?
No. Very nice restaurant. We... Ayan.
Ryan,
Ja?
eet je wel een lekker frietje dan? Ryan,
Ja.
eet jij wel een lekker frietje dan?
Nee, ik ben heel vol.
Oké.
Nou, dan moet je wel heel veel zitten. Of wil je een paar kipvingers? Ryan?
On our way to flower shop to get some flowers for the neighbors. Nag-ano lang. Kakapanganak lang niya. So, bigyan namin siya ng flower at saka gift. Yun yung culture nila dito. So, bibilhan namin siya ng flower at bumili na kami ng book para baby's book. Honey, don't do that. Oh, Brian, zo sterk, hè? Zo sterk.
Wat heb je haar doen, Ryan?
Zo sterk jij.
Nee, ik wil niet. Ik wil niet op een kapper.
Wil je niet meer kappen?
Ik ben aangeweest.
Je bent al geweest.
Ja.
Wanneer was dat?
We moeten wel je pubic hair knippen, Ryan. Allemaal mooie bloemetjes.
Ik wil de...
Brian, je mag kiezen. Brian, you can choose. Inside, honey. Nee, binnen.
Ja, bloemen.
Ik mag kiezen, papa.
Nee, dat mag helemaal niks.
Nee, ik mag kiezen.
Nee hoor.
Binnen, je mag binnen.
Blauwe.
Nee,
Nou
niet.
ja, het zijn wel, klopt, de kleur klopt. Nee, we moeten een bosje bloemen hebben liggen. Dit zijn allemaal plantjes eigenlijk.
Yeah. This one, there's a blue one.
Ugly. Oh, well, we can do it. I will tell them that you have chosen.
Or this one, look.
I choose this.
This one ook. Mooi.
How much are those?
This one is 19 at 20 euro. But
But
I honestly, I like the other one.
Brian. Hey,
Ja.
welke vind jij mooi? Die of die? Welke?
Die.
Vind je die mooi dan die?
Ja.
Oh, there's a lot of flowers there.
Ik
Okay,
wil
this
deze
one.
en deze.
Oké, dan nemen we deze mee.
Nee, ik mag deze. De
Nee, ik moet
Ja, kijk.
een beetje blauw zijn.
Er moeten een beetje blauwe bloemetjes bij zijn.
Ze hebben een jong.
Ja, maar kijk, als dit bloemetje geboren is, dan moet je altijd met blauwe kleur.
Ja.
Zullen we deze doen dan? Zeg maar, wil je...
Die.
Ang ganda ng mga flowers.
Ik wil allemaal flowers.
Yeah, everything is flowers.
Roze.
Kijk, let niet hangen.
Harry,
Yellow.
How long is for open?
I don't know. I think it should be
Do you
alright.
have anything else? Maybe blue?
No, that should be enough, honey.
Deze of zo?
They say it's also nice. But I like that one more. The small ones, no? For the little girl.
Zou ik zo'n kleintje nemen?
Ja.
Zou ik dit nemen?
Huh? Voor de kleine.
Kijk eens.
8 euro.
Ah ja?
Ja?
Zullen we deze nemen?
Nee, kijk.
Ja, dat maakt niet uit. Luister, wil je die of die?
Die.
Yes. Veel,
Oké, doen we die. Dan zet papa deze.
oh,
Binnen, blijf binnen.
you mean also you want to give the small one?
We take this one, right?
It's too small, honey. Just use the big one.
Ja, ik ga niet 2 bosjes geven.
Ja, dan doe maar die andere dan. Ah, diba? Nagalit pa ako. Come now. So guys, we're going now to work. Medyo natagalan ako. Natagalan kami ni Renee sa kakachika dun sa neighbor. Ang cute ng baby nila. Baby boy. So now they have baby girl and a baby boy. It's really nice. Ang cute. Super cute talaga. Natawa nga ako, sabi ni Renee, so gusto mo pa? Ng baby? Sabi ko, no. So it's nice to have a baby girl, but then again, I think I'm good already with 2 boys. So yeah, it takes so much energy and time, and also my age is a bit difficult now. I'm turning 40 now on August, so I think we're okay with 2 boys. Anyway, let's go. I hope hindi pa ako late. It's now 2:27, so I have to be there actually 2:45. And yeah, I think it's still okay. I can still make it. Okay. So mamaya, I think Renee will still be up pagdating ko from work kasi I know may laro yung Netherlands at 1 AM dito kasi sa Amerika yung yung time. Doon ang Amerika yung host, ang USA yung host ng World Cup. So, syempre time nila. So, dito mga 1 AM. So, si Bryce naman doon siya titingin sa manunood sa kaibigan niya. So, he will be out later in the evening. So, most likely pag dating ko from work sa bahay, gising pa yan si Renee kasi manunood siya. We'll see. Sana manalo ulit yung Netherlands. Super init. Grabe. Nasa 30 degrees tayo today. Pero dapat sanay na ako, no? Kasi lumaki ako sa Pilipinas. Pero, yeah. 10 years na ako dito sa Netherlands. So, medyo nasanay na rin ako sa, nila, weather. Pag may mga ganitong init, Diyos ko Lord, nagiging na rin ako reklamador.